Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Got two sets of darts for you today, starting with Mission Spiro M1, 25 gram. Good looking dart. Grip level is really good. I give these an 8.5. Very grippy indeed. As always, we've got the L-style silent spin in short and L-style dimple L3s for the flight. They're going to be going against Shot Viking Wolf, 25 gram. Again, really good looking darts. Shot do make some beautiful looking barrels. And also they have a pattern on the grip as well. But again, they're 25 gram, silent, L-style silent spin and L-style dimple L3s. So, as usual, 6 visits to the board for scoring, and we'll see who comes out on top. We'll start with the Spiros. Not a good start for the Spiros, but we are written as treble. They're a really good grip, these. Four visits left. Let's see what we can do. They are a gram heavier than what I'm used to. You wouldn't think that would make a difference, but it might be in my case. There we go, we found that treble. 2 visits left with the Mission Spiro M1. Got that treble once more. 269, last visit for the Mission Spiro M1. See what we can do. Oof. 83. And there you have it for the Mission Spiro M1 352. Let's put them against Shot Viking Wolves, and we'll see how we get on. Right guys, Shot Viking Wolf 25 gram. Let's see if they can beat Mission Spiro M1. We've got 352 to beat. Let's see if we can do it. These darts, if we haven't mentioned already, they are quite grippy. I give these a 6.5, maybe 7 for grip. Let's see how we go. Ooh, cracking start. Ton. Ooh, 81 that time, close to a ton. 4 visits left, we're already at 181. Steady away at 60. 3 visits left, 222. Oh. Found the treble, but I couldn't keep him in there. 2 visits left, 307. Can we do it? That's a bad last start from me, that. Last visit, 329, 352 to beat. Steady away at 60, gives us 389. So the Viking Wolves have come out on top. 389 against Mission Spiro's M1. They got 352. So there's your winners, your Shot Vikings. Again, beautiful darts, both. Put them side by side. Got a bit of a longer barrel on the Mission Spiros to the Shot. But still, Both fantastic. Again, grip level, 885 on the Mission, 775 on the Shots. Both beautiful darts to hold in your hand. Yeah, if I had to pick a favourite for me, I would say is the Shot. Just feels a lot better in my hand, to be fair, in my fingers to throw. If I could get away with putting a Target Signature RST point on, it'd be awesome, but they're a fixed point. And sadly I don't have any different points than Swiss points. But yeah, get down to your local stores, give them a throw, see what you think. If you need anything, you can use our sponsor, Matt Wrench over at DartsConnections. You can get anything you need. Give him a look on his website, that's in the links below. But yeah, have fun, see what you like. So thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.